All right. Good morning. It's about 8:45 Eastern Standard Time here. Thursday is November 17th, 2022. Got the SPY up on the daily chart. I kept this purple downtrend ray in here because we didn't actually close above that at all this week. And last week we have lots of wicks above, but we never finished above that line. So that's telling me that it is strong. It is still in play. We broke, actually, yeah, so it looks like our high today is right up against it anyway, and now we got the rejection. Might have an acceleration trend ray coming here. Yeah, so there's another one that's in play. That's obviously steeper than anything that we got right now. So this is, yeah, this one's, I would say, so it looks like we should probably have a little bit, moving a little bit lower. This could be a spot for a little bounce here. Not sure about reversal. I don't think that's in the cards right now. But looks like the RSI, we have a little bit of a gap here. We have a gap to here. So, maybe they want to bring it down to just around this 390 level. Who knows? If it does bring it down to 386, this would probably break below, but if we do have a bounce off it, it would probably just show up just as a, so that's probably what we'll see. Maybe we'll see a fade in the morning here. Not fade, sorry, just a sell off. We come down, we touch this, and then we kind of end up towards, close to 390. So come down to 380 something. Today finished just below 390, and that'll give him the bounce off the RSI, and that'll set us up for tomorrow, which I'm not sure if we'll get a solid rip or tomorrow's the day that they want to bring this back down and set up for the break for this downtrend ray tomorrow, or uptrend ray tomorrow. Yeah, that's probably it. So today, potential sell-off. Comes down, touches one of these anchored VWAPs. Finishes the day still with this RSI intact. That'll leave us tomorrow with an attempt to rally tomorrow, get rejected off this, and then we don't know. Then we might still stay in this little wedge happening right here, or we actually crack down through. Excuse me. Who knows? Let's see actually if there's anything we got going on in the 1 minute chart here. Yeah, they're just grinding this down. No one's really stepping in yet. How'd they set up this morning here? So there's one there. There's another one. Yeah. So this one was strong here. This one. So that's the one that's really in control now. So once this one broke, so that's still pretty steep. I'm sure it'll just grind right through once we get to the market open. So that's where we're at. Anything else going on? Healthy dividends. Not going to touch anything today until we see potential reversal. I did add to OGN yesterday. MDT was also there. Nothing crazy. A few of these guys that are worth looking at. This looks great. I'm going to start adding here. Sophia is another one I've been keeping an eye on. Recording growth, they're doing fine. I'm really sticking away from the bio booms right now. I just don't. I think the idea that I don't think the Fed's going to stop until they really start seeing some pain. Right? They need to see pain. They need to start really hurting people. There's a lot of money out there that people still have in their bank accounts. They know it. So they're going to let this inflation run a little bit longer. Be a nice solid cash grab by companies, and then they'll start putting the pain on the people with some higher, with interest rates, and they're not going to do a soft landing. It's not the benefit either corporations or the government. So I don't see they're gonna screw people over. Bioreactor. How's this guy looking? I don't want to sell Halo right now, but I think the market conditions are going to tell me I gotta book some profits here. My favorite tickers in Bioreactor, the top picks, I have such high conviction in them and they have these good setups right now, but we're going to need the overall market to still keep rising off the bottom here for at least the remainder of this year for us to hit where I really want to sell these things. I think I might have to book some profits on ISRG. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. I'll put some candidates into the chat as soon as possible. I would go with these guys. They just, these guys have been tandem together. So it's not just a giant video game. Look at that. It's practically perfect. What's with you? Whoa. Showing weakness here. Yeah, this move off the almost everybody's got a rough looking last few days. Long wicks, wants to move higher, Every time it gets to a certain level, they get a solid rejection. I mean, all these guys are doing it. Even though they're moving up, I mean, if you were to draw, oh yeah, they're moving up off the bottom. But once you get to like certain levels, you start seeing a few days in a row, you get long wicks on those candles. The overall market's doing it too, but at the same time, that tells you, no one's driving these names higher. It's just algos, being part of the ETFs and just being slopped up. Sorry, I'm just clicking around here. CVS is probably on my buy today. Yeah, CVS is still in there. So the uptrend, it broke, rejected, came up, got rejected yesterday, and now we're coming back down. Angle of attack's pretty steep. Maybe coming to the 92 area. I'm keeping an eye on it. I doubt we'll get down to 92, but again, we're talking like strong wicks every single time it wants to move up. All right, I'm going to end it there. It's almost 9 o'clock. Yeah, they're just grinding her down. I got another one here. $8.30. What did we have data at 8:30? Yeah, I mean, come on. More hikes are coming. Painful, crushing hikes. Buckle up. All right. Take it easy. Don't get. I'm definitely still on the sell. Generate some cash. They're gonna grind this down. Looks like it more at open here. Probably see a little bounce and then fade. Who knows? It'll be interesting to see what they do. But I don't think they're going to run it hard today. I think it's obvious that everybody's realizing that we'll probably have another 6 to 8 months of this. Yeah, I think we're going to... I don't know about us just moving forward, but a lot of chopping around in rotation probably for another, like I said, 6 to 8 months. I'd put us, sometime around maybe June. We'll see. Anyway, good luck. Take it easy. Stay